Have you seen those videos online that look like a CBS 60 Minutes investigation? Claiming doctors have uncovered a hidden blood sugar reversal ritual that can supposedly reverse type 2 diabetes naturally? If you have, you're not alone. Today, we're exposing Glycopezil Drops, a supplement being pushed through fake documentary-style ads designed to scare, confuse, and manipulate people with diabetes. By the end of this video, you'll know why the ritual is fake, why the documentary isn't real, and how this scam uses celebrities and doctors to trick you. The Glycopezil ads follow a very familiar scam pattern. Dramatic narration, dark visuals and medical imagery, warnings about ticking blood sugar time bombs. Viewers are told, doctors discovered a hidden ritual. Big Pharma doesn't want you to know about it. Diabetes can be reversed naturally. Sounds convincing, right? But here's the first red flag. This is not a real documentary. There is no CBS investigation. No real 60 Minutes episode. No verified journalists involved. The visuals are stock footage, AI-generated clips, and edited news-style animations designed to make you trust the video. Scammers exploit the documentary style because we naturally trust that format. Here's the biggest lie. The ad teases a blood sugar reversal ritual. You're told it will be revealed, but it never is. Instead, the video suddenly pivots to a sales pitch for Glycopezil Drops. This is classic bait-and-switch marketing, not a legitimate health solution. Some ads even show Dr. Sanjay Gupta, Halle Berry, and other celebrities, making it seem like they endorse Glycopezil. Let's be clear. Dr. Sanjay Gupta has not endorsed Glycopezil Drops. Halle Berry has not endorsed Glycopezil Drops. No credible celebrity or medical authority is involved. What you're actually seeing are old clips taken out of context, AI-generated voices or manipulated footage, visual edits implying approval without stating it. This is called false association, one of the most common tools in online medical scams. Real doctors and celebrities do not promote secret rituals or supplements through disappearing documentaries. Glycopezil follows a familiar scam formula. Fake medical documentary. A secret method that's never explained. Fear-based messaging. Vague claims about ingredients. Urgency and limited time offers. Anonymous sellers, no transparent company info. The goal isn't to help people with diabetes, it's to trigger panic and impulse purchases. Real diabetes solutions are based on verified research and licensed medical guidance, not disappearing rituals in online ads. Here's the truth. Glycopezil Drops do not reverse diabetes. The CBS-Style documentary is fake. The blood sugar reversal ritual never existed. The celebrity and doctor endorsements are misleading and manipulated. If you're managing diabetes, rely on licensed medical professionals and evidence-based treatments, not secret rituals sold online. Have you seen this ad or tried Glycopezil? Share your experience in the comments to help protect others. Like the video, stay alert. Fake medical documentaries are one of the fastest-growing online scam formats.